What in the heck?
Okay. Oh wow. Very nice.
You give me food today, that if I died, I'd be in heaven.
Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Today, we are making one of the suggested food po, suman moron. These are the ingredients. Ito na po yung white part and ito po yung chocolate part. So on the white, we have the coconut milk, we have the glutinous rice flour and the rice flour and the white sugar. And this is the chocolate one. So we have also here the glutinous rice flour, the rice flour, coconut milk, roasted peanuts, brown sugar, and cocoa powder. Ayan, gawa na po tayo. Napansin niyo po, gagamit po tayo ng foil kasi po walang available na banana leaves. Meron po, kaya lang punit-punit siya kasi sa kalakasan ng hangin. Wala po kami nakuhang buo. So, gagamit po tayo nito. O plus, margarine. Ayan, gawa na po. I am back with pudding.
So what is this?
It's a sticky rice flour. Yeah, it's still warm.
Sticky rice pudding.
Sticky rice flour, yeah.
What's the brown name?
It's a chocolate with peanuts. Suman moron.
This is nice. Not very sweet.
Not so sweet.
No.
Maybe Aliyah can taste it.
Aliyah?
Yeah.
Hi Aliyah.
Oh, good morning, good people. Hey, good morning, Melissa.
Sticky rice flour.
We have a good day today.
You want more, madam? No, I can give you more. Oh, you like it? Oh, that's nice. Come say something. Oh, you like it?
I love it. It's chocolate.
It's
Chocolate
rice.
flavor and vanilla flavor.
You're eating rice.
All of it's there.
No, with chocolate and peanuts.
You like it?
I like the nut.
Oh yeah. It's with the chocolate flavored one.
Chocolate flavor?
The chocolate flavored there. The
That's
nut
what
is
chocolate you use. Cooking chocolate.
the cocoa powder.
Oh.
Cocoa powder.
I thought you used cooking chocolate.
Okay, thank you, Miss Michelle. Anyway, what's the rating on that one?
10 out of 10.
Wow. Oh, you enjoyed it.
It's not overly sweet. It's just nice.
Hmm.
You know?
What is it? It's not something similar here? No.
Because I'm not really a dessert person. I'm more of a savory person.
Hmm. Okay. Thank you.
What is it?
We call it suman moron. It's a
Suman?
suman moron.
Suman.
It's a glutinous rice flour and steamed.
Oh, there's nuts in here too.
Yeah. Do you think that's
Yeah, yeah.
It's not overly sweet, right?
Mmm. And cocoa, chocolate.
Yes. The chocolate
What
flavor?
chocolate?
No, I use cocoa powder.
This is nice, girl. It's different. This is so tasty.
I had a whole one. I ate everything.
Yeah.
And also Aliyah took it.
Yeah, I'll get my first one.
I love anything with nuts. When I buy a chocolate, if it's a whole nut, I count the back because minimum sales be 13.
Yes.
If it's under 13, I send them an email.
Okay.
They like nuts. Thank you.
Thank you so
Very
much.
tasty.
Thank you. Say hi to your fans. The lovely comments.
I hope they visit soon. Yes, keep commenting, keep watching. I'm always reading the comments. I read them out for the boys as well. They enjoy it.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank
See you
you.
next week.
Next week.
Ang liit naman niya.
Ay, naga ka talaga oh. Anong nasa isip natin ngayon? Kaumaga, aga-aga eh. Pilya itong babaeng ito, Pilya. Ayan, welcome to dessert time. That is suman moron.
Oh, okay. Anong meron dito? May peanut?
Yes.
Moron? It's made of, ano pa to, te? Rice?
Glutinous rice flour and rice flour.
Wow.
Ang galing niyang mag-open oh.
Ikutin mo lang siya ganyan.
Oo.
Hello, this is my favorite. Ba't
Really?
walang dahon? Ba't walang dahon?
Eh kasi yung dahon na punit-punit siya sa lakas ng hangin. Gusto mo ng gloves,
Ganyan
tita? Gusto mo ng gloves?
Ba? Ba't to? Di naman marunong mag-ikot. Iikot mo lang yan.
Oh, yun.
Kita mo?
Mm.
Kita mo? This is my favorite. It's with peanut, eh?
Ah, with peanut.
Yeah, and then chocolate.
Yeah, chocoa
Yes.
powder.
Nakabili ako dati. Oh, wow. Parang 30.
Very nice.
Reminds you
This is
home.
my favorite. Yes, this is my favorite.
At tagal magbalat oh. Tita, sigurado alam mo yan. Meron sa inyo yan.
Hindi. Ang meron lang sa amin is ano eh. Hindi ko alam.
Sa Mindanao, yes.
Nakatikim na ako.
Oh.
Sa Mindanao. Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Pilya. Pilya, mga ito. Grabe. Kaya pala nagtago yung isa eh. Sus ko.
Sabi ko yun.
Uy, ang sarap.
Ang liit naman.
May moron.
Oo, mga muron kayo talaga oh.
You mean crazy.
Yeah.
Thank you, Te. Thank you. Really yummy.
Talaga yun.
Masarap?
Very nice.
Sabi ko sa'yo, may peanuts eh. Peanut.
Talaga itong babaeng ito. Ay, mga muron kayo talaga.
Mga muron.
Guys, ang saya no, basta mga Pinay. Diba?
Thank you na po. Nag-joke
Mga
lang.
pilya. But thank you guys. Thank you ladies.
Thank you, Te.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
What in the heck?
That is suman moron. It's a glutinous rice flour, Kyle.
Looks like a big sweet.
Steamed. And that should have been wrapped with banana leaves. But the banana leaves are all, what you call, torn off. Torn, split.
Splits.
Okay.
It's like that big chocolate. You know the one that's in like a stick? What's it called? That chocolate stick and it's
Chocolate stick?
a stick and it comes in a box with other sticks. And it looks this
Oh, sticko!
stickos.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a chocolate bar.
There you go. Wow.
I'm blown away. Wow. Oh my goodness. The texture, I love it. I'm in heaven. Look at that. So gummy, thick and juicy.
Yes. I feel like I'm playing when I was doing that.
What?
Because you have to roll, then you have put together and then roll.
And it's so sticky. What's this called again?
Suman moron.
Sumang.
Suman moron.
Suman maron.
You know,
What does it mean?
In a naughty Filipino understanding of moron is crazy.
And suman?
No, suman is, what do you call that suman now?
A sumo wrestler.
Sumo wrestling.
I'm imagining this with condensed milk.
Condensed milk.
Yes. Because the colors, it would have looked pretty. Oh, it's like chocolate. What is this brown stuff, by the way?
It's chocolate flavor.
Okay, I thought so. Watch. Like my caca.
Why would you say that?
Kaka.
So delicious.
You want
though.
more, eh?
Even got the chunks.
What's wrong with
Yes,
you?
please, isa pa. Masarap.
I'm gonna open for you now.
I like the way it looks. It's so pretty.
That's why I said it's like I was playing when I did that.
Like a worm.
Wiggly, wiggly.
I love this. It's so fun. It's like mochi, but better.
Yes, it's like mochi.
Just so you can see how sticky it is.
There you go.
Delicious. 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
That's so nice. I like the way that feels. I give that a 1,000 out of 10.
Wow. Thank you, Kyle.
Thank you.
Hope to see you again next week.
Why is it so hard to unwrap? Oh, I give up.
Oh my gosh.
Really? Why is it so sticky?
Because it's a sticky rice, Christina.
Oh.
The sticky rice flour.
Yeah, that's flour. Which means I'm probably not gonna like the texture.
No, you like it. You texture.
And it's got peanuts in it. So that's probably more of the reason I won't like it than anything else.
You didn't even taste it.
No, I don't like peanuts. I've never had this. I've never liked peanuts. That's why I don't.
Then don't eat the brown.
Just bite into it.
Oh my goodness.
The texture's like mochi.
Yes, it's like mochi. Oh my gosh, Becca.
Mochi. I don't like mochi. And I don't like
Peanuts. Ang daming ayaw.
Hey, there's certain things that I've never eaten, okay? And peanuts, I don't like peanuts. I don't like peanut butter. I don't like anything with peanuts. The only thing that I'll eat with peanuts is peanut brittle.
Okay, don't eat now.
I love it.
Just eating the white one.
I like how chewy it is.
Gooey, chewy.
Gooey, chewy, peanutty, ricey, chocolatey goodness, and you can see the peanuts.
You give to Christina, Becca. More share for Christina.
I don't like the texture, and I can still taste the peanut even without the biting the peanut. Carla's right, caca. It does. It's like, oh. Thank you. Dragon Magic.
Alright. 1 to 10?
8.5. Okay, 8.5 because...
Alright. Thank you, ladies. Bye-bye.
What is this?
It's a steamed glutinous rice flour.
Yeah.
With cocoa, chocolate flavor with peanut.
I love peanuts.
Oh, there you go.
I love
Thank
peanuts.
Gooey.
But it's nice. And also because I like the nuts in here. Very
Yeah.
tasty. But we have cocoa in here as well.
Cocoa powder, yeah.
I like that. It's very nice.
Thank you, Miss Marlene. What's your rating there?
Very nice. Okay, I'll rate this one also 8 on 10. I like it.
Wow, thank
Brought me 2 good meals
you.
this morning. Lovely.
There you go.
She's in heaven. Of course I'm in heaven.
This is suman moron. Let me open it for you.
Suman moron.
Yeah, suman moron.
Suma. It's like a
Suman.
A suman, not
Suman.
a sumo. It looks divine.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still hot.
Yeah.
You've given me food today
Hmm?
that if I died, I'd be in heaven.
Wow.
This is gorgeous. See, I need to peel all of it off so I can take a bigger bite. Oh, oh no. I'm glad I don't live with you. Can you imagine if you lived with her?
You're gonna get big.
This is too dark.
Wow. They like it, guys.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
When you finish, is your paw?
It's a if someone's left, you know, there's a demolition here.
No, I know that Carl's back.
Okay, Lady D, thank you so much.
Thank you, my darling.
That is suman moron. It's a glutinous rice flour, and I steam it.
Something new to me. I haven't heard of this.
I should have wrapped it in banana leaves.
Josie's is sweet.
Not so sweet.
So this is a plant.
What plant?
Huh?
That's a glutinous rice flour and a rice flour. I steam it. It's like mochi. You know mochi? Chinese mochi.
But you got nuts somewhere.
Yes, that's on the chocolate flavor.
It's like too jelly.
Oh, okay, gooey. You don't like it. Okay.
Kyle will love this.
Hmm?
Kyle loves this.
Yes. You're gonna give it to him.
Yeah.
All right.
But I want the chocolate first.
You're gonna be happy about that.
Thank you, Josie.
All right. Thank you so much. This is a suman moron. It's a glutinous rice flour. Yeah, and steam.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, you're not allergic to nuts, huh?
No,
Okay, that's good.
I like a sweet.
Yeah, mochi. You know mochi? Chinese mochi.
It's good.
Nice. Guys, that's Gabriel. Half Filipino, half South African. There you
Yes. I like soft to eat.
Yes. Gooey. Little gooey.
It's not too sweet. It's
Yeah.
a light sweetness.
Thank you.
I can taste the nuts inside it as well.
On the chocolate flavor. First time to be a food taster and it's okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Gabriel. 1 to 10?
I give it a 8.
Okay, thank you. See you next week, Gabriel.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Alright, Tita, suman moron.
Oh, suman moron.
You know, you came from Bisaya area? So this is Bisayan food.
And the wrapping is
Yeah, I should have.
modern.
I should have. Yes, I should have used banana leaves
We
here.
have banana leaf here.
Shock. There you go.
So I'm looking for a banana leaf. So
Okay,
this is turon.
Suman moron.
Oh, soman moron. Soman. I know soman, but the why there is a white.
That's a vanilla flavor and the chocolate
cool.
flavor.
Hey, you see, you really elaborate the so.
Ay, nag-google lang kita. All my food are coming from the YouTube also. Someone is suggesting next time this and that. That's why I'm doing it slowly.
Remind back home.
Oh, really?
You know what? You know what is missing here?
What?
The ripe mango.
Oh,
Isn't that together?
no?
No, I know. I like. Oh, that's the other one, Ibos.
Ibot.
It's called. It's a rice with a coconut milk. You put the salt,
Huh?
then you cook it, and then you eat it together with a ripe mango.
Oh, uso yan sa Pilipinas
That's one of my favorite.
yung malagkit with mango.
Sometimes I
okay.
make it as a breakfast.
Oh,
Weird.
alright. So how's that?
Really good. I must say, knowing that you elaborated by adding the nut, it's become more interesting to taste. Lovely. Well done, Juicy.
Thank you.
I will recommend it to everyone. Thank
Wow.
you, sir.
Thank you, Tita.
Thank you.
See you next week.